little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a colorful school.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our markers and get started. First, let's draw a triangle at the top. This will be the roof of our school. Now, let's draw a tall rectangle under the roof. This will be the front building of our school. Make sure it's nice and tall. Let's add another triangle roof behind the first one. Then draw another building shape underneath it. This makes the school look bigger and more fun. To draw the school gate, let's make a small triangle at the bottom of the first building. Then draw 2 pillars on each side and 2 doors in the middle for the gate. Great job! Let's add 6 windows. Draw 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. Try to make them evenly spaced. Fantastic work! In the center top part of the front building, let's draw a big clock. Start with a circle, then add 2 sticks for the clock hands. At the very top of the roof, let's draw a waving flag. It makes the school look super lively. Now, let's write the word school below the clock in big double letters. Take your time, it's looking amazing. Finally, let's draw a staircase in front of the gate. It will make the school look more real and complete. Wow! Great job! Let's make all the outlines bold and sharp. This will make the school really pop on our paper. Awesome work! It's looking fantastic!
Yay!
Now, it's time to add colors to our school. Let's name the colors while we color. Blue color.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Purple color. Green color. Yellow color. orange color. Red color.
La da 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 dee.
Yay!
Pink color. Brown color. Wow! Look at that! Our school looks so bright and colorful. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time, little artists. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.